Beautiful. Okay, so this is the outline of the shepherd's hut, which will be used to keep the woodland in good shape. Right, and then a membrane will go down on that, and then on top of the membrane will go some plastic locking crates, footings, whatever you want to call them, and then infill them, after I've leveled it off a bit, infill them with either pea gravel, chip-ins or whatever I can get my hands on. Okay. Ooh-wee. What have I got left? Not even a quarter. Eh, by gum. Right, onwards and upwards. I've got to apologise for the heavy breathing, but by God. Right, so it starts, which should be, I'm going to put the lining down, pea gravel, and then we'll start building the shed. I've bought one, I can't make one, I've got to have enough timber here because it's already been felled, so it's all new growth. So I've had to buy a shepherd's hut, so there we go. Okay, 12 by 8 shed, and this panel alone weighs a ton. So this is going to be fun. We've got a mate come in, one of my son's mates come in, well, he's a mate of the family, with his tranny, twin wheeled. We're going to slide this one on the back, and then we've got all the rest underneath. And then the base one was wind holds. The windows, if we take the windows out, they're not fixed. They will be fixed though. Roof, that's got to go. And follow me again. Don't know if you can see this properly, and then the flooring. So next stop, hopefully up the woods. Got some good lads coming to give me a hand. Need it.
So, that one, must remember language. That's what it'll be like, it's got a hole in it. Oh, okay. Do it that way then. Jack can use his strong hand now. Alright. Show off.
Leave it to the youngsters, Mark.
They come out then, will they? Beautiful. Like a glove. A really heavy glove.
Done.
Right up, is it? Got it. Oh, come on, eh? Jane, you're not having a shed at your wood, are you?
There's a gate up there.
The weight, boys. Here comes the weight. Boom.
Is it as heavy as the last one?
Your way, Dad,
You
obviously,
have to
mate.
do your way, Marty.
Oh, you bastards. What, you're going to go forward or not? Just do it, John, like that. Done.
Unbelievable.
This one feels incredibly light compared to the other two.
Yeah. I'm sure it's heavy downhill at the bottom here, isn't it?
Oh, it is, isn't it?
Front.
So go off into the sunset. You're not going to be able to put this on YouTube, Mark. There's too much swearing. Whose idea was this anyway?
You're going that way, it's a long way up.
It don't matter. Holy moly. Do it again.
Yeah, got the majority of it, just getting the windows and the fixings, the floor. This will be the view from the shed.
It's off my age, okay? Well, it wasn't for these guys, we wouldn't have done it. Amazing, what a team. Jack, Andrew, my lad,
And Stu.
Stu with the van.